Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Nowadays, they're actually realizing their error, and they're studying death more, trying to prepare people for death more. But the only thing they can tell them is accept it. The only thing they can do is say, you are going to die, so just accept it with a cheerful attitude.
But I do not wish to die. Why shall I be cheerful? You rascal, you shall become cheerful. Cheerfully you become hanged. The lawyer will say, never mind, you have lost the case, now cheerfully be hanged.
That is actually the whole goal of modern psychology, is to make people adjust to the fact that they must stay in this material world. And that if you have some desire to leave the material world, they'll tell you you are crazy. No. Now you must adjust more again to the material condition.
They teach you to accept the frustrations of life. They teach you that you should accept all the frustrations of life.
Why frustration? You are big scientists, you cannot solve.
They cannot solve because they have the same problems.
The same logic. Cheerfully be hanged. That's all. As soon as there is some difficult subject, they give up. And they speculate on some nonsense. That's all. This is their education. Education means attantik dukkha nirvritti. The ultimate solution of all unhappiness. That is education. Not that after coming to some extent, no, you can die happily. And what is dukkha, unhappiness? That is presented by Krishna. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi, dukkha doshan. These are your unhappiness. Try to solve it. But that they are carefully avoiding. They cannot stop death, neither birth, nor old age, nor disease. And during the short period of life, birth and death, then making big buildings, and next time he is becoming one rat within the building. Nature, you cannot avoid nature. As you cannot avoid death, similarly, nature will give you another body, become a tree in this university, stand up for 5,000 years. You wanted to be naked, now nobody will object, you stand here.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare